In this video, I'm going to show you how you can invest into Safemoon right from your cell phone using the Trust Wallet. You do need to download the Trust Wallet app. If you have an Android phone, you go to the Play Store. This is an Android phone. So you go to the Play Store and then you just type in the actually Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet. Trust and Bitcoin Wallet. So you just download that as well. And so if you have an iPhone, go to the App Store and do the exact same thing. My name is Adam Shelton. In this video, we're going to show you how to invest in Safemoon really quickly and really easily, because this is the place to be to grow your bank account and to grow your brand. You know what time it is, so let's go ahead and dive into the content. So right now, I've already got this open, so I'm going to go and open up the Trust Crypto and Bitcoin Wallet. Now from here, you see Safemoon. So I already have Safemoon already. Now how you get Safemoon, you download the Trust Wallet and go through the steps in terms of the Trust Wallet. From when you get to this part here, you go to this button right here that says the D apps. Go right there, click there. Now you're gonna have to swap this with Pancake, the Pancake Swap. That's how you get it. So you just click on the Pancake. Just like that. Now what's going to happen is you're going to have to purchase either BNB or Bitcoin or Ethereum. So you might have to do the Binance Smart Chain. So the best way of doing that is, let me go back. The best way of doing this is what I do. I go to the Smart Chain and I buy from here. I just buy from here. And then I swap it out. So that's what I buy. So I buy from the Smart Chain. You can also do it from Bitcoin, Ethereum as well. The same thing, Ethereum. If I want to buy it and swap it out, I buy it from here. So I want $150, and I click next, and I'll go ahead and purchase that. Now we're gonna do a mini swap because there's a little money in this. I think it's like $4. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So going to here, Pancake Swap, and then I have a small balance of BNB. That's Binance Smart Chain. And so now you find your currency. Select the currency. So I'm going to type in Safemoon right there. And then here's the determining conditions before you move on, since it's very important for you to follow. 5% fee is redistributed to all existing holders. That's pretty cool. And 5% fee equals used to add liquidity. So it's basically a total of a 10% fee on each transaction. This is because Safemoon taxes it. But I understand, make sure you understand the slippers tolerance as well to 12%. And it's plus continue. Now I have Safemoon right here. Now if I want to do maximum, I click maximum of how many I can actually use. I'm not sure if much I can use. Let's see, maximum's not working. So BNB, I have a little bit. I may not have enough to actually purchase the Safemoon, so I may have to add some in there. Let's see here. But what would happen is that if I had some in here, let's see, that's what would happen. I will just put in this. Let me see if I can type this in. 0. See if I X8. Okay, so it does. So okay, so I had to type that in. The maximum was not working. So this is how it would look like. So here is the balance. I'm gonna purchase some. If I click on swap, let's see what it says. Swap here. It says confirm the swap. This is how much Safemoon I'm gonna get. Confirm the swap. Okay, transaction infinity. Okay, so what I gotta do is subtract this a little bit. So I'm gonna just do 4 and see if that makes. So I'm gonna lower the amount, because it said insignificance. So I'm gonna purchase a small amount. It says I don't have enough in here, so I'm gonna go back in here. Cause I know I only had I didn't have much in there for this training here. So I'm gonna go really low. It should work now. This is how much Safemoon I'm getting. And accept the price update. Let's see if we have enough. Yes, we do have enough. $3.99. This is the Millionaire Wallets, and I named that wallet. I'm swapping it out. And here's the fee, that networking fee as well. And approve. And so now we purchase additional more Safemoon. I click on click next there, go to the wallet, and it's already in there. So actually purchase Safemoon. So it's actually in there. So if I go to here, it shows that we have it. So we just purchased in there. So just to show you that as well. To be transparent, we just purchased it. And let's see. Just reflected it. Okay, so just added just a little bit of it. As you see, refreshing it. So it did refresh it. So very simple, really easy. The first thing you want to do is set up your actually wallet. Download the Trust wallet. It's really simple to do. And then you'll get to here and you set up your actually process of the wallet, and then you just start buying it. You got to do the Pancake Swap and everything like that. Don't worry about the finance and the collectibles. One thing you may have to do is because if you're trying to find Safemoon, let me see, there's an area here, right here. So make sure you type in Safemoon up here. Make sure this is on, because sometimes it can be off. And if it's off, this is what happens. It doesn't show up down there. But if it's on, it will show up. So let me make an example. I'll show you. I go here, and if I turn Bitcoin off and I go back, Bitcoin is gone. See that? But if I go back up here, and Bitcoin is back. So what you may have to do is type in Safemoon to make sure this is on. So just make sure this is on once you're starting to look for Safemoon and invest into Safemoon. So just make sure that's on right there. And then remember, I went to these little 4 squares. I went to Pancake Swap, and then I use BNB. So I normally do that. I select my currency. So I'll go in and type in Safemoon there, like so, and everything. And then from there, usually max work, but sometimes you may have to type it in. So on this training, I will type it in. I'll type in what I put in there. So there, and this is the estimate of Safemoon I can actually get. I'll subtract that part and go back. Let me go even lower. So this is the amount of Safemoon. I think it's like what, 15,000 for that amount. It's probably like a couple of bucks. And then it shows me there. Actually, it's a little bit less. So look like so let me do something simple. That should work. That's really even lesser. So maximum $3.72. Approve. I'm doing another transaction. Close that, and go back to the wallet. Refresh it. You see this number just went down to $4.14 to $3. There you have it. That's how you go ahead and get Safemoon right from the Trust wallet. It's really simple and really easy to do. Remember the Trust, crypto, and Bitcoin wallet. This is the Android phone, so that's what I use. I really like this. It's really simple and easy to use. And let me discard that. I'll just give them a review. Remember, use the Pancake Swap. Take it really slowly. Follow the steps when you download the Trust, crypto, and Bitcoin wallet. Whatever password they give you, write them down and keep them. Because after the Trust Fund wallet, you're going to open it up. This is going to be blank because you're not going to have, well, actually, you're going to have Bitcoin, Ethereum. This stuff will be here, but Safemoon will not be here. You might want to go up here, look for it. So type that in, type in Safemoon there. I would do that first, and then make sure that's on, turn that on. And go to these little 4 little squares here and then go to Pancake Swap. All right, so, and then go from there. But first, make sure you got money invested into the swap. So you want to make sure you have, go back, it's kind of playing tricks on me. Make sure you go to the smart chain Bitcoin to do the swap. So you got to put money into one of these here. I'm pretty comfortable using the smart chain. And remember, you buy and you want to add money in there first. And then you want to do the swap. Do the swap there and follow the same steps we did before. Select the currency, type it in, and you should be good to go. Use Pancake Swap, use the Trust Wallet, and then you can get your Safemoon. All right, this is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel because this is the place to be to grow your bank account and grow your brand. And I'll see you on the next video. I appreciate you doing this. You may need to watch this video a few times to make sure you understand it. If you have any questions, you can email me at the bottom or put it in the comments about any type of videos you want me to do in terms of training. All right, I'll see you on the next video.